What's up guys, Lightningo14 here, soaring back into your life with another video. And in this video we're going to be going over a super simple tactical gear project. In this video we are going to be showing you how to make a sword frog. So for this project you will need scissors or hobby knife, duct tape, some thin cardboard such as the type you can get from a cereal box or other similarly thin box, and of course a sword. And a belt, but we'll get to that later. So to start off with this project, what you're going to want to do is cut all the tabs off of your box, like so. Next, you're going to want to cut the box open so that you have one giant flat piece of cardboard. Next, you're going to want to cut off a piece long enough that it will wrap around your sword completely. So for this sword, I'm going to use about, 5 inches or so. And the thickness is not really important, just as long as it's, say, about 3 or 4 inches. So now, I now have my piece of cardboard, and next what you're going to want to do is wrap it around the sword so that the edges meet. Super simple, like so, and then take a strip of duct tape and duct tape it in place. Alright, so now that you have your piece of duct tape wrapped completely around your piece of cardboard, jeez! I can't even speak today. This piece of cardboard completely wrapped around your sword. Next is find a strip of cardboard that is large enough to fit around your belt completely. This will be the part of the sword frog that attaches to your belt. So once you found that piece, just make sure it fits around the belt and bend it to shape. And then what you're going to want to do is place the sword frog and the belt loop on your belt as you want them, so like this. Because if you just do it with if you just try and put it on there with a 45-degree angle normally, then you might end up having it on the wrong side and it will face the wrong way. So just line it up on your belt the way you want it to sit, and then place a strap of duct tape through the cardboard, like so, and duct tape it on. And so then you can add additional straps of reinforcing duct tape if you want, but that is not really strictly required, but I'm going to do it anyways. And next, what you want to do is simply fold the cardboard and duct tape it together. Like so. And now you are completely finished. So all you need to do now is simply attach it onto your belt and you are ready to go. And it is just as easy as that. So that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed or learned something useful. And if you did, please be sure to tell me in the comments section down below. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.